Counting booleans in dictionary. I have a Python dictionary object that contains a boolean for every key, for example. What is the easiest and most concise way to count the number of true values in the dictionary?
For clarity. For conciseness, this works because true is a subclass of int with a value 1.
In Python, sumd.iter_values is slightly less concise than the sumd.values many are proposing, 4 more characters, but avoids needlessly materializing the list of values and so saves memory, and probably time, when you have a large dictionary to deal with. As some have pointed out, this works fine, because bools are ints, a subclass, specifically. Therefore, no need for circumlocutory if clauses.